We often think of hearing loss as a normal part of getting older, something to live with, something to laugh off. But doctors now say ignoring those missed words and say that again moments could actually be linked to something much bigger, to dementia. Dementia isn't just about forgetting names or misplacing keys. It's a serious condition where memory, thinking, and daily life slowly slip away. And here's the surprising part: hearing loss is one of the biggest preventable risk factors for it. How are the two connected? Think about it this way. Neha Sinha, dementia specialist and somebody who's worked in the area of elderly care, is with us. Thank you so much for your time. There's been a lot of conversation around cognitive decline and hearing loss. Talk to us about how both of these are really connected. Neha.
Yeah, thanks, Neha. So there has been a lot of research, you're right, but now it's a very well established fact that hearing loss is indeed connected to dementia. And it's one of the modifiable risk factors, which basically means that you can, once you identify that there is hearing loss setting in, you can actually either delay the onset of dementia or, kind of prevent the decline, the speed of decline of dementia. So I see it in three parts. When the brain sort of struggles to, decode sounds, there is, sort of a stress on our existing brain systems. So there is a constant overload, which sort of, in a way, accelerates our decline. So what happens is, as a result of that, there is a biological overload. There's a structural and biological overload on our, temporal lobe, which is sort of responsible for our, it's a key area of brain which is responsible for hearing, and that leads to faster shrinkage. So these are the biological mechanisms why hearing loss is directly connected to dementia. I think another important factor which we'll identify even closer home is social isolation. And we've always seen that, elders or anyone who has hearing loss, they sort of decline, they withdraw from, social engagement, they become quieter. And that is a very, very critical risk factor for accelerating dementia progression. So a combination of these things compound, the cognitive impairment, which as a result of which people, kind of face a lot of complex issues, not just memory loss.
I have a question to you because I've seen this in my circles as well in the elderly population, is that there's a lot of, reluctance to accept that there is a hearing problem, and then wearing, hearing aids, and senior citizens just don't want to wear hearing aids. What would be your word of caution, both for senior citizens and their loved ones, the family members who are, taking care of them?
Neha. Absolutely. I think, so India, I think I wouldn't say India, but everywhere stigma and denial is strong. And many elders or many people feel that wearing a hearing aid is a admission that you're aging in a way, right? So this resistance is unfortunate, but I would say very simply that hearing loss is not just about years. Think of it like this. It's about the brain. So if you're treating it early, you're actually not just preserving one of your sensory organs, you're preserving memory, you're preserving dignity, you're also preserving your quality of life for very long. So it's very critical.
Absolutely. Very important that you say that. I'm going to thank you, Neha, for joining in with your views on that important story that we are tracking. A clear link between dementia, cognitive decline and hearing loss is what we're trying to underscore here. The hopeful part, it doesn't have to be this way. Wearing hearing aids can help keep your brain sharper, staying socially connected, chatting with friends, joining family conversations, or even watching TV with subtitles keeps the mind engaged. The reality is, protecting your hearing can also protect your brain. Regular eye checkups, treating infections quickly, and being open to using hearing devices are small steps that make a big difference. Well, so the next time you or your loved one struggles to follow a conversation, don't shrug it off. It's not just about the ears, it's about keeping the brain healthy as well. Why does this really matter? 63 million Indians with hearing loss, often silent and overlooked. 8.8 to 10 plus million older individuals living with dementia right now. Cases are expected to rise dramatically. Up to 1/3 of dementia cases tied to hearing loss. Early action clearly would make a difference.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.